The future is created where we develop today the technologies that will power the world of tomorrow. Right here with us, we make sure the world keeps running where failure is not an option. Our backup power systems protect critical infrastructure in hospitals, at airports, in control centers and data centers. We keep the internet stable. Every third click is secured by our technology. With our battery energy storage systems, we stabilize entire power grids. We secure energy, balance peak loads, and pave the way toward a sustainable future. In naval and land defense, we deliver protection, security, and sovereignty. And through our service, we stand by our customers across the entire life cycle. Reliable, trusted, a true partner for years to come. Driven by engineering excellence, by precision, and by the courage to rethink what's possible, additive manufacturing enables lighter, stronger components. Artificial intelligence increases efficiency and safety with solutions like Carl, our generative AI. We are breaking new ground with digital platforms, HVO, e-fuels, green hydrogen, proven turnkey energy storage solutions, and the methanol engine for the shipping of tomorrow. But the most impressive force is us as a team. Our expertise, our commitment, every move, every line of code. Guided by the highest safety standards, responsible action, and a culture that looks closely and takes responsibility. Our sites are powerful, true centers of excellence, with impact that reaches far beyond their walls. And our MTU, a strong brand, trusted around the world. Technology drives the future, and we are the force that drives it.